In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate your LinkedIn account. Now, let's say you decided to close your LinkedIn account. But after some reflection, you've had a change of heart. Maybe you're missing out on all the networking opportunities or the valuable content from your connections. Well, you're in luck if it's been less than 14 days since you closed your account. Within this 2-week period, getting your account back is pretty straightforward. However, if it's been longer than 14 days, LinkedIn won't be able to recover your account, so it's best to act fast in this situation. To begin reactivating your account, try logging into LinkedIn from either your desktop or mobile device. Just go to the LinkedIn homepage and enter your credentials as you normally would. During this process, LinkedIn will recognize that your account is currently closed and will automatically guide you through the steps to reactivate it. It's really as simple as logging in. Now Therese, another way to reactivate your account, and this involves a specific link that LinkedIn sends in the account closure confirmation email. After you initially choose to close your account, LinkedIn sends an email to confirm this action. Within that email, Therese often a link that can take you directly to the reactivation process. Clicking on this link saves you a step, but don't worry if it doesn't work for some reason. You'll simply be directed back to the login page. Once you're there, just enter your email address and password that are associated with your LinkedIn account. Click Sign In and follow the prompts to get your account back up and running. Now, if you clicked the link in the email, you might see a button that says Reactivate on the screen. Clicking this will officially kickstart the reactivation process. Shortly after, LinkedIn will send you another email asking you to confirm that you want your account reopened. Make sure to check your inbox and verify this email, as it's an important step in the process. Once your account is reactivated, you'll regain access to your connections and be able to interact with them once more. However, it's important to be aware that not everything will be restored when you reactivate your account. Some features, such as your group memberships, any following like top voices and companies, ignored or pending invitations and endorsements or recommendations you've given or received, may not come back. So, it's good to keep these limitations in mind when you decide to go ahead with reactivating your account. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you should be back on LinkedIn, reconnecting with your network in no time. If you have any thoughts or questions, feel free to ask, and happy networking.